For comfort, style, and performance during your calls or live streaming, look no further than the MeVideo Series MWH-1 headset from Benro. Featuring padded ear cushions, stereo output, and a dynamic microphone, this wired headset is the perfect hands-free solution for virtual meetings, video calls, or live streaming. The microphone features a foam windscreen and a rotating 270-degree arm for precise positioning or to fold up and store. With the built-in mute and volume buttons, you can easily control your sound. It includes a 3.5mm to USB-A adapter, giving you ultimate compatibility. Works with Mac and Windows operating systems, Apple iOS, Android devices, and most devices with 3.5mm TRRS or USB-A input. A USB-A to USB-C adapter for mobile, tablets, and computers is also included. Works on most common platforms including Teams, Zoom, Skype, Facebook Live, YouTube Live, and Instagram Live. Paired with other MeVideo accessories to step up your content even more. For more info on our other live streaming accessories, check out our other product videos. Benro's MeVideo Series MWH-1 headsets, the perfect tool for a content creator's arsenal.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For more of the latest and greatest on camera support gear, subscribe to our Benro YouTube channel.